Hello everyone, are you ready to put your strategic thinking to test and as well as compete with some of the world's brightest minds across the country? So welcome to Opportunity Hunt, so your ultimate guide for amazing competitions and as well as career opportunities. So today we're talking about the Atlas PwC NextGen Leader Case Competition, a thrilling platform to showcase your skills, solve the real world problems, business problems and as well as win some incredible rewards. Stick around it, we are going to discuss all the details about this, including the prize worth of 30 lakhs. So what this you do till the end. So before moving ahead, if you're new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where you will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. The Atlas PwC NextGen Leader Case Competition, which is organized by the Atlas ISME in partnership with the PwC India. It is a national level platform designed for the undergraduates who aspire to make their mark in the business world. So whether you are engineering, commerce, arts or any other discipline, this competition will be challenge you to strategic and as well as problem solving abilities. If you dream of pursuing an MBA and love cracking the business challenges, this is your golden ticket. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, let's talk about it. This competition is open to all final and as well as pre-final year undergraduate students for any field. So teams must be consist of 3 members and the team leader handles the registration process, and to ensure the fairness you will need to submit the valid college ID cards, like college IDs you can say it, for verification purpose. So gather your squad and get ready for the competition. Now let's break down the competition structure. In the round 1 that we have a quiz challenge. This is a fast paced online quiz designed to test your business and as well as analytical skills. The top 70 teams will advance to the case study round, with the top 10 teams winning Amazon voucher worth of 1500 each. Now coming to the round 2 that we have case study. Here where the things get interested. You will tackle a real world business problem and submit a 3 to 4 slides of presentation. The top 10 teams will move on the final round and each will be Amazon voucher worth of 3000. Coming to the round 3, the ultimate pitch. This is the grand finale. The shortlisted teams will present their solutions to a panel of the experts from the PwC India and Atlas ISME. It's your moment to shine and as well as prove your. Now, why you need to participate here? So real world experience that step into the shoes of the business consultant and tackle live case studies industry exposure, and will collaborate with the PwC professionals, connect with the mentors, and also you will expand your network. Exclusive masterclass, enhance your skills, and with a session lead by the PwC experts and Atlas professor, amazing rewards. So the ultimate winner will get a cash prize of 1 lakh and the chance to win a 7.5 lakhs worth of MBA scholarship from Atlas ISME. And other winners can earn up to 6 lakhs in a scholarship along with the additional cash prize and as well as swags. Now, how to apply for this? Simple. The link is there in the description box. When you click on that link, you will redirect to this page and you can simply press on register button. You can register for this competition. And it's about learning and as well as growing and building to a strong foundation for the future MBA aspirants. So that's what about today's video. Why are you waiting for? Apply now, and applications are open now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You will never miss any update, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity. And good luck for all.